Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and in today's video we are discussing Lyft driver rates, and we have a huge recent report of rates actually dropping across the nation. So if you are an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you're interested in these rates, this is the video we're really discussing that. So please thumbs up the video. And before I get started, I want to tell you all we have a special opportunity right now. Every one of our watchers can download Solo. It's a gig working app, and they're gonna give you $10 simply for signing up for free anywhere in the United States. It's a special promo for all of our watchers. So Work Solo basically is an app that helps you make more money as a gig worker. It also helps you track all your miles, your expenses, and they even guarantee your pay. When you go out and drive, you can clock in for shifts, hour-long shifts, pick and choose any of the apps, and they're gonna guarantee an amount you make. And again, they're gonna send you $10 just for signing up and trying this out, totally for free. No gimmicks, check it out. Link below. Okay, so we actually ran a recent survey in our Facebook group. We have a huge Facebook group, over 19,000, 20,000 members. I can't keep track at this point. We've got so many people joining every day, really active, but we talk about rates a lot on Facebook. People, you know, it's kind of like this little forum we got, but we posted this. Can everybody please, because we've gotten the reports that rates are down, even with the rise of inflation, the rise of car expenses, the rise in gas, the rise in cost of living, rise in rent, more basic food, everything's going up in price. Lumber, McDonald's, Chipotle's, Chick-fil-A's raising their prices, In-N-Out's raising their prices. Can everybody please screenshot their Uber and Lyft bonuses for this week? Thanks. Sean says, what bonuses? Most drivers are saying that Lyft is no longer doing bonuses in many markets. Tim Bullock says in Albany, Lyft, no bonuses. And he's calling it thrift, which I actually thought was pretty funny. Alana says, what bonuses? Every driver's saying that there ain't no dang bonuses doing Lyft, okay? Unless you're signing up to be a brand new driver, which by the way, we have a link below. You can sign up for Lyft, get a sign up guarantee or bonus. Actually, they are still doing bonuses in a lot of areas. Yeah, this one says $450 bonuses when you give 120 rides in 30 days. 40 rides a week. That's kind of it's decent part-time. That's 20-30 hours a week. 450 bucks, 120 rides. That's not even 50 cents a ride bonus. I mean, I've seen way better bonuses. Their sign-up bonus, it's just basically showing you guys that Lyft doesn't need new drivers, because Lyft is getting so many drivers with literally the rising cost of inflation. People are sprinting to sign up for Lyft and Uber. So look at how horrible this sign-up bonus is. 450 bucks for 120 rides? Oh no, that's like $3 a ride. Sorry, my math was off. That's still super low though. That's really low. I mean, that $450 is nothing in 30 days. That's $100 a week. Matthew, on the other hand, is saying that $9 bonuses, 3 rides in a row, is good. I don't know about you, but $3 bonuses is not good for me. Uber is saying that theirs is down 30 trips, $30. I mean, Uber and Lyft are basically the same app. If you love one app or the other, they're basically the freaking same app. They both are working off supply and demand. Jeff, I have no bonuses. No bonuses here, and I drive daily. Tammy Dunning is a great example of somebody who, they need money, they're gonna drive whether or not there are any bonuses. This week is the worst for me. Let's check out this. Alicia, Louisville. 3 ride streak, 15 bucks. 15 bucks. $15 bonuses for an hour. 3 ride streak, $5 a ride. I mean, that's better than we've seen. But yeah, Haley says seems lower lately. None. We have effectively taken a pay cut despite inflation, while Uber and Lyft charge customers more. Yeah, we've seen the cost of rides going up, but the pay for drivers going down. And we cannot stand for this. Should we go on a month-long Uber strike, Lyft driver strike, take a month off and not do any rides, and then see if Uber and Lyft raises the rates? So I'm gonna end the video there. Again, sign up for Solo, link below, to take advantage of our little partnership that we have, where any of our viewers, as long as you have an active gig working app, you have to use our link. Sign up for Solo, guarantee your pay, optimize your income, track your expenses, your mileage, and get an extra $10 simply for signing up for free. And they'll literally Venmo you or PayPal you. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys are great. I'll talk to you soon.